Alright guys, it's Saturday now and doing some painting inside, so I'm not looking the best. But I did jump in the Forester to go get some supplies and scavenger pump didn't work. So I didn't take it. So it's out on the road, so I need to move the Skyline in here and bring the Forester in. And we'll have a look at why the scavenger pump isn't working. Fingers crossed it's something easy, and then after I figure that out, we'll get back onto the wide body. Alright, in the Skyline, I've got my gauge pod there. That's my one. It's pretty much ready. I'm just gonna try to find some paint that's the same colour as the dash, and I gotta drill the holes in it. See? Just move this forward. I bet you now I'm recording, it's going to work. Just turn the mask on. Nope. Alright, gotta get in there quick. Oh my god, I forgot to record it. You're on my door. Yeah, as soon as I hit the driveway, it started working. Loose connection, I'm guessing. Yeah, need to fix that. So I don't think I put it in my last video. No, I didn't. I was talking a lot about switching it back to the two turbos at the top, so I don't have to worry about scavenger pumps. It's a lot of work that I've done for nothing then. Got it open with the help of this big boy to wedge it under. Needs some adjustment. Probably up there. I don't think I've changed this ever, so my original bonnet should fit properly. Just looking at the wiring, it's going through. That's a grommet, and then through here there is no grommet, so it could be rubbing. Doesn't look like it. Or these seem to be a little loose, I don't know. But you know, it's something I don't want to go out when I'm driving and I'm really far away from home, or I'm at the track or drag strip or anything. See, now it's fine. And it started pretty good. I don't know if I had that recording on it. I don't think I did, but it started fine. It wasn't low on battery. I don't know, guys. Comment down below. Should I risk it? Should I purchase the timer relay? Is it all of that stuff that's making this happen? Like the relay, it's low mount, oil's backing up, going into the exhaust, making it smoky. Or have I done a seal, turbo seal? I don't know. But it's kind of doing my head in at the moment. Go back to the wide body. Alright guys, I'm finally back. It's about 3:30 on Sunday. Been painting the house for most of the weekend and I am stuffed. So let's get straight into this. I'm going to trim this up and see if it needs any more. If it doesn't, we'll get to the second part to this one on that. Alright guys, all trimmed up. So the bits that weren't straight onto the gel coat I trimmed up so I can fill them in a bit later and strengthen it up. So now we can actually finally take this off and make our second part of the mold. Alright, so I've got that bit of metal off. It's a bit wavy, but that doesn't matter because this part isn't part of it. This is just where we're going to join. So I was thinking of trimming this up, but I don't think I will. I'll just leave that. I need to clean up all fire. And then clean up this clay. So pull it out because that will make a big section that size in the mold, which we don't want. So we've got to pull all of that out, clean it all up. So just rub it down with a wet rag because that'll get rid of this blue PVA. As you can see, we have some holes from where I screwed in. So I'll get the plasticine, the red plasticine I've got, and plug them up. What I might go and do is actually just grind them down because they are raised and we don't want that. And then I'll rub it down with the wax. So no PVA release on this anymore. I don't use that anymore. And we don't get the brush strokes in the piece like here. You might be able to see the dust. Oh, you can see it on there. Yeah, you can see it. Brush strokes. So, let's get onto it. Well, that edge is not very clean. So it's at this point where I can fix it up. So I might give it a quick sand. And we do have a bit of a hole here. So it's not good. Might just fill it in with plasticine because looks like there's some dry fibres in there, so that'll lock on to anything else I put in there. So alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and sand this down just a little bit and clean it up. While we're doing that, I'll be doing the left side one. Looks like I've tried to sand it, so I'll just leave it and I'll clean it and start waxing it up. Alright guys, so I just made a border out of plasticine because I was just looking at this one and I don't like the look of that, so it doesn't look very strong. So we should have a nice strong edge there. And I added some plasticine into some sections that I think that would lock in and I wouldn't be able to get it out. So I might fill these in too, just in case. But after I've done that, it's ready for waxing for both parts. Alright, time to wax it up. So I ended up adding a lot more. Yeah, we don't want this to lock in. So once I've waxed up all three pieces, I will bolt it together, mix up some gel coat, and we'll lay gel coat on this and onto that. Alrighty guys, so I got pulled away just then. So I haven't done any coats of wax yet. Now it's 6 or 7 coats that I need to put onto this with 20 to 30 minute drying in between. So if you do the math, that's like 3 hours of this. And it's about 6:30. So I don't think I'm going to get a gel coat onto this tonight. I may, but it'll be too late. So I'm going to finish this episode here, guys. I'm going to continue with the waxing, and next episode we'll have the wax and obviously the gel coat and the fiberglass on these. So hopefully we'll pull our first panel next episode. Yeah. What I would like for you guys to do is comment down below what you think I should do with the Forester. Should I keep trying to fix this scavenger issue? It keeps popping up. Or should I go back to the 2 turbos on top? Put in a photo here of what it looks like. Yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell to stay up to date with this project. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.